नमस्कार, आदाब, गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग? आवाज नहीं आई यार. आप लोगों से सबसे ज्यादा आवाज तो आयुब सर की आ रही है. आप लोग इतने सारे हैं, वो अकेले आप सब पे भारी. एक बार फिर से, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग? That's much better. That's much better. Thank you so much, Mehta sir, for that lovely introduction and continuously putting this show for the 26th time. And every passing year, this show has grown by leaps and bounds. And I honestly feel absolutely privileged that I got an opportunity to host this tonight. And I've been hosting Miss and Mr. Teen India from the year 2021. Thank you. Thank you. Ayub sir, Adab. Shahbaz sir, Adab. Imran sir, Adab. And two Bengali beauties, kemon ache? Khub sundar lagchish. All right, so, well, we'll go ahead with the show. But as you all can see, I'm standing solo. And I am missing the support of women. When I participated as a contestant, my mother and Sambita ma'am, they were my anchors and my support system. So this evening cannot continue without my support system on stage, which is not one, not two, not three, but four lovely ladies who are also an alumni of Ali Club's Miss and Mr. Teen India. Can we have a round of applause for them, please?
Ali Club's Miss and Mr. Teen India.
स्टेज पे शेर व शायरी का माहौल था, तो एक शेर मेरी तरफ से भी. Wow, I feel so lucky. I think I'm the luckiest man tonight. A round of applause for Diya, Simran, Jasmine and Srijata. अर्ज किया है. Thank you. अपने किरदार को वफादारी के लिबास में रखता हूं. अपने किरदार को वफादारी के लिबास में रखता हूं. मैं खुद भी खास हूं और दोस्त भी खास रखता हूं. Let's start with Srijata on my left. So take us through your journey now that you're on stage and anchoring the show, and you started off on the same stage few years ago as a contestant. तो अपनी जर्नी के बारे में कुछ बता दीजिए.
Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to this very much prestigious show again and my family. So let me speak about my journey a little bit. I started off as a very shy kid and then I met Sambita ma'am. We all can agree to the fact that she's our godmother. She have treated us so well, groomed us well, and I cannot explain that how much grateful I am to this platform and each and everyone present in the panel today. Someday back, years later, we are like, we have won. We started our journey, our career. I'm very happy and I don't know. I feel very nostalgic, extreme nostalgic, and that's it. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely. Moving on to Jasmine.
Ali Club. Ali Club is not just a word, it is an emotion for all of us standing here. If I talk about my experience, I won back in 2018. I came here, I was an introverted kid who used to be comfortable in her own bubble with mom and dad. Never stepped out of my home without them. But when I came here, who gave me that strength? And who actually gave me that finish to become a personality like this and speak in front of all of you? It was Ram Guru Sambita Bose ma'am. My backbone that time, and every time I would say, no matter where I go, what I do, I always remember whatever she has told me, taught all of us, I believe. It has been great journey with my Ali Club family, and being here back as a mentor it is a delight actually, because being alongside all of these lovely finalists and contestants, seeing their journeys throughout these training days, the efforts that they put in, it's absolutely amazing for the teenagers at such a tender age to do so. And that is how Ali Club changes all of us to fulfill our dreams and goals that we have for ourselves and our parents do. Thank you so much. Enjoy this wonderful night, and all the very best to the finalists backstage. They are excited, nervous. It is a mix of emotions for all of us.
Thank you, Jasmine. Simran, you're up next.
Hello, everyone. Well, before saying hello, I remember having this conversation with Sir backstage where he just said, Ali Club is that one platform where the entire India comes together in one room. So, hello, India! There you go. Well, speaking of my journey with Ali Club, it's been like a flip of a coin, very life-changing, I must say. I've always shared that experience of how I never knew how to walk in my heels, but then this plays, along with helping me improve as a pageant and as an aspirant to the film industry, it also gave me wings to embrace my personality for who I really am. And all credits definitely has to go to Sambita Bose ma'am, Ram Guru, our godmother, our angelic guiding light, somebody without whom I don't think any of this would be possible, and everybody in the room would agree with me when I say that. Well, all thanks to Mehta sir, to Pushkar sir, and to the entire Ali Club team who's shown me the right path and made me understand in this platform it's okay not to be okay, and sky is not the limit here because this is sky in itself. Well, I have to take a special mention. I've come thinking of this to Mr. Ayub Khan sir. Back in 2019, sir had asked me to, I was a special request contestant who came on stage all because of sir's request. And here I am today. It's because of sir's support and guidance too. So thank you very much, sir. It's an honor to speak in front of you today and all the entire jury today. That's about it. Thank you.
Last but not the least, lovely Dia.
Thank you, sir. A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Dia, Ali Club Miss Teen India 2019. And yeah, that's my introduction. I always introduce myself as Ali Club Miss Teen India 2019. What a journey it has been. It feels so great to be back on this stage, and I'm so nostalgic right now. I can actually feel the nervousness of the contestants. I'm still nervous when I'm speaking, and I'm not lying about it. But I really want to thank Ram Guru Sambita Bose ma'am. She is my second mother, as I always say. Mehta sir, he has been a great support in my life. Pushkar sir, he always guides me through every step of my life. I really want to thank you. I want to thank Ayub Khan sir. I want to thank everyone. Thank you so much, sir. And I really want to thank the parents who are supporting their kids. I really want to thank you all. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.
Ali Club's Miss and Mr. Teen India.
तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मेरे बॉम्बे से आए मेहमानों के लिए। शहबाज खान भाई को मैं तालियों के साथ स्वागत के साथ तालियां प्लीज। शहबाज खान भाई प्लीज ऑन स्टेज। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू कम ऑन स्टेज। आ जाएं स्टेज पर आ जाएं भाई।
Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to this fantastic event being organized for the past 26 years. Ali Club, Miss and Mr. Teen India. I thank Sambita Bose जी, उन्होंने इतनी शिद्दत के साथ ये इवेंट करती हैं और इतनी मोहब्बत के साथ करती हैं कि ये दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की कर रहा है इवेंट हर साल। अ बिग हैंड फॉर संबिता बोस जी। और ये हमारे मेहता साहब, इनके बारे में तो क्या ही बोलें, ये भी बहुत ही पैशनेट है इस इवेंट के बारे में, ख़ास तौर से इसलिए कि यहाँ जो बच्चे आते हैं उनको जो प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जाता है, उसके लिए जो यंग टैलेंट को चांस दिया जाता है उसके लिए, और यहाँ आए तमाम मॉम डैड्स पेरेंट्स को भी मैं बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ एंड आई विश एवरीवन ऑल द बेस्ट। आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग। थैंक यू।
शाहबाज भाई, आपने इस समय अमरीश पुरी जी के बाद शाहबाज जी हमारे सबसे सीनियर एली क्लब के पैट्रन हैं, चीफ पैट्रन हैं, तो आपने तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आते हुए देखा, तो जो वो तालकटोरा का राउंड था और आज का राउंड है, आज आपको कहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है कि आपका क्लब कहाँ पहुँच गया?
सबसे पहले तो आप सीनियर बोलना छोड़ दो यार।
सबसे जूनियर है।
अभी भी बच्चे हैं सब, ख़ास तौर से हम। और ये अब क्या कहूँ मैं, जब अमरीश जी ने मुझे सबसे पहले यहाँ भेजा था, तकरीबन 20 साल हो गए उस बात को, और उसके बाद कंटिन्यूसली मैं आ रहा हूँ और ये इवेंट का लेवल हर साल ऊपर ही जाता है। हर साल इस इवेंट का लेवल जो है, और यहाँ के जो विनर्स हैं उन्होंने भी बहुत तरक्की की है। तो मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि इस इवेंट में एवरी ईयर प्रोग्रेस ही हुआ है और आगे ही गया है, बढ़ा है।
इसी के साथ मैं अयूब भाई को इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा, जोरदार तालियों के साथ। अयूब भाई प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज।
चेहरा क्या देखते
वाह,
हो,
वाह, ये तालियां
दिल में उतर कर देखो ना।
आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। आज की ये जो शाम है एली क्लब की तरफ से, जो पिछले 26 साल से लगातार आपके बच्चों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहा है, मैं मेहता साहब को, संगीता जी को प्रणाम करता हूँ, आदाब कहता हूँ। Thank you for this big effect, this big effort of yours to give this wonderful platform, amazing platform, so that people can open their wings and fly.
शो डायरेक्टर संबीता जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा इमरान जी को लेकर आए, क्योंकि ये तो हमारे क्लब के पैटर्न हैं बहुत सालों से। इमरान साहब पहली बार हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, और पिछले साल आप आए थे, नहीं इस साल आप आए थे रेडिसन में, ऑडिशंस में आप आए थे। तो आज संबीता जी इमरान जी को लेकर प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज। जी
भाई,
जी इमरान
जवा दिलों की धड़कन इमरान खान।
स्वागत स्वागत।
संबीता जी नहीं दिखाई दे रही है।
कभी तो आसमां पे चांद निकले, जाम हो जाए। जाम समझते हैं ना आप लोग? जाम, चीयर्स। कभी तो आसमां पे चांद निकले, जाम हो जाए। आज की शाम एली क्लब के नाम हो जाए।
क्या बात है, एली क्लब
जिंदाबाद,
एली क्लब
जिंदाबाद,
एली क्लब।
जिंदाबाद।
अब मजा आया। एंड नाउ आई वांट टू इनवाइट समबडी वेरी स्पेशल, जिनके लिए मैं कुछ 4 लाइनें कहना चाहूंगा। वो फूलों सा बदन खुशबुओं का साया है, वो फूलों सा बदन खुशबुओं का साया है, बहुत अजीज है हमें मगर पराया है। उतर भी आओ कभी आसमां के जीने से, आपको खुदा ने हमारे लिए बनाया है।
क्या बात।
आ जाइए संबिता जी, स्टेज आपका इंतजार कर रहा है, आ जाइए। आप इन ऑडियंस के लिए बनी है, प्लीज।
और ये मेहता साहब की तरफ से एक शेर। हम नहीं तीर और तलवार से डरने वाले, हम नहीं तीर और तलवार से डरने वाले, नजर भर देख लो जालिम खुद ही मर जाए।
अरे वाह 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 वाह।
अरे भाई, मैं क्यों पीछे रहूं, मैं भी कुछ बोलता हूं ना इनकी शान में।
ये मेहता साहब की तरफ से था।
बिल्कुल,
ये मेहता साहब की तरफ से था।
एक शेर हम भी बोलेंगे संबिता जी की शान में। हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात
Really thankful to everyone. आयुब सर, शाहबाज सर, इमरान खान सर, आप लोग सारे, मतलब ये तो मेरी फैमिली है। इतने साल हो गए हैं, दे आर विद अस एवरी टाइम, इतने पेशेंटली जज करते हैं आपके बच्चों को। सो लेट्स हैव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर देम। दे आर रियली सच्ची कह रही हूँ, वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ, वेरी नाइस पीपल आई हैव एवर सीन। अमरीश जी को मैंने देखा था, उसके बाद आप लोग हैं। ट्रस्ट मी। उनके बाद मेरे को अगर कोई इतने अच्छे इंसान मिले हैं तो ये है। इस बार इमरान जी से मिलके ओ माय गॉड, बोलते हैं ना OMG, ही सच अ नाइस पर्सन, आई कांट टेल यू। तो यही अली क्लब फैमिली है और इन्हीं के साथ हमें आगे बढ़ना है, आप लोगों के साथ। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग हियर, थैंक यू।
वो सर कहते हैं ना, सर आप पूरा कर दीजिएगा, मेरे को आधा दूर आता है। अकेले चले थे जी, अकेले चले थे, कारवां
चलता रहा,
कारवां बनता गया।
मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल, मगर
लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवां बनता गया।
क्या बात।
बट मेहता साहब के लिए एक सबसे करेक्ट शेर आज के टाइम्स में, व्हेन वी नो जो लोग जूझ रहे हैं फाइनेंशियली, इकोनॉमिकली, मार्केट वी नो वेयर द मार्केट इज गोइंग, उसके बावजूद 26 साल से इतना ग्रैंड लेवल का, और हर साल इसका लेवल बढ़ता जा रहा है। विद ऑल द ऑब्स्टिकल्स दिस मैन इज पुलिंग इट ऑफ। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि फलक आसमान, फलक को जिद है जहाँ बिजलियाँ गिराने की, फलक को जिद है जहाँ बिजलियाँ गिराने की, हमें भी कसम है वहीं आशियाँ बनाने की।
क्या बात। थैंक यू।
ये एक शेर है ना कि कौन कहता है आसमां में सुराख नहीं हो सकता, कौन कहता है आसमां में सुराख नहीं हो सकता। अरे जरा तबीयत से पत्थर तो उछालो यारो।
क्या बात है।
सर इनका राज बता देता हूँ, आपने सुना भी हुआ है, ये गाना बहुत अच्छा गाती है।
कोई बात नहीं है,
एक लाइन तो बनती है, आपने इतना अच्छा गाया।
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की ये धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे, आपकी नजरों ने समझा।
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात, वाह।
सुपर। जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें पूजा बनर्जी। यस पूजा, प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज, वी ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर यू।
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते। आप लोग मुझसे ऑलरेडी 2 दिन पहले सब मिल चुके हैं। अब मैं क्या कहूँ, ऑलरेडी मैंने सबको उस दिन अपने मतलब जितने सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे आए हैं सबको मैंने अपने बारे में बताया, अपने रियलिटी शो के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताया। आज मैं कुछ कहूँगी नहीं, आज मैं सिर्फ देखूँगी। एंड सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ ऑलरेडी, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट, ओके। एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल द पेरेंट्स आउट हियर हु कम ऑल द वे एंड दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द किड्स टू परफॉर्म। आई थिंक वापस से जो मैंने उस दिन भी किया था, सारे पेरेंट्स के लिए एक जोरदार
Yes.
नहीं, बहुत हल्का है। पेरेंट्स कम ऑन, कम ऑन, दिस इज फॉर योर किड्स।
बच्चों आप भी पीछे से मेक अ नॉइज, बच्चों कम ऑन, मेक अ नॉइज।
Ali Club, Mr. Teen India.
तो सत्कमय तमसो ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतांगमय आविर्
very talented indeed, and most gorgeous, Steffi Patel, ma'am.
Can we have a huge round of applause for Steffi Patel, ma'am? Before going ahead with the event, Steffi ma'am, I would like to congratulate for your new movie, Lovely, and I must say that you were looking lovely in that movie.
Thank you, Diya. I love you for that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask you this one question. I believe that you yourself were a contestant some years back.
Right.
So how does it feel to be on the other side of the stage?
I feel so nervous. I think I was just telling sir that I don't know, I'm so scared for everybody there on stage because I can feel the nerves right now. And बहुत अलग feeling है from the journey from the stage to the judging table is immense. It's long, it's tough. There's so much happened all these years, but I'm so glad that I'm back here. I am so blessed to be a part of the Ali Club family. I am so blessed to be here. Sambita ma'am, Mehta sir, they've always been like family and mentors to me. So very, very happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can we have a huge round of applause for her? Audience, let's cheer up.
Ali Club, Mr. Teen India.
तालियां of yours. Come on. Round of applause. Standing ovation मुझे चाहिए अरबाज खान भाई के लिए. Standing ovation I require for this. सर स्वागत है आपका. आज आप दूसरी बार इस ग्रैंड फिनाले में पहुंचे हैं. तो ये आपकी जनता, आपके पेरेंट्स लगभग 90 शहरों से यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं सब. 90 सिटीज़ के हम लोगों ने जब शुरू किया था 14 सिटीज़ में हम लोग गए थे. 14 सिटीज़ में ऑडिशंस किया. 250 सिटीज़ के लोग वहाँ आए हमारे पास. और आज आप 90 शहरों के बच्चों को यहाँ देख रहे हैं. आपने एक राउंड देखा. तो पिछली बार में और इस बार में आपकी नज़रों में क्या फ़र्क पाया?
I think last time भी मैंने कहा था कि every time I'm coming for your events and your shows, I can only see it get better and bigger. And इस बार भी मुझे वही लग रहा है कि the scale बढ़ रहा है. आप I think ज़्यादा detail में you're going ahead and doing this and that's very encouraging because I can see the difference and I wish you all the best for your future ones also.
इतना सारा टैलेंट आप ऑल ओवर इंडिया देखते हैं, इंटरनेशनली देखते हैं. खास तौर पे जब यहाँ की आप ट्रेनिंग एंड ग्रूमिंग, लास्ट टाइम आपने कुछ सजेशंस भी दी थी संबिता मैम को, तो आज आपको क्या इंप्रूवमेंट दिखाई जो ट्रेनिंग एंड ग्रूमिंग संबिता मैम यहाँ कर रही हैं इतने सालों से? दिस इज द 26th ईयर.
जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि you know the kids are getting more and more confident and I think this is the generation and that's how it is कि इनको जो exposure मिलता है, इनको जो encouragement मिलता है, तो this is something and they're making the maximum use of it. I mean to say I can only see that you know, technology and exposure is actually beneficial. It's like anything. If you're going to use it for the right intent and the right purpose, then you're going to really do well. And I think most of the kids are doing that. I see a lot of kids in my family also, the kids, my nephews, my son, and you know, other kids around my son's friends. I see a huge level of confidence and understanding, and they're very focused. And थोड़े जैसे ऑनेस्टली हम कुछ बचपने में थोड़े से नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट हमको किस लाइन में जाना है, कहाँ क्या करना है. धीरे धीरे मतलब हमारे रास्ते बने. बट दीज किड्स आर लिटिल मोर फोकस एंड देन दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई दे कैन you know single-mindedly pursue what they really want to do and achieve those things. And I think this kind of schooling or this kind of an event only helps them generate more confidence and you know just makes them feel more sure about themselves.
Yes, I want a round of applause please. इन पेरेंट्स को आप क्या कहना चाहोगे सर? इन बच्चों के साथ इनके इमोशंस जुड़े हुए हैं.
देखो दुनिया भर में आपने देखा है कि पर्टिकुलरली स्पोर्ट्स में, पढ़ाई में, बच्चे को जब तक कोई एल्डर का फैमिली मेंबर का सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता. Now whether you look at you look at Sachin Tendulkar for that matter, he had his brother take him for his coaching classes. Virat Kohli's brother, apparently he had his brother taken. You see the Serena Williams and Venus Williams, they had their father. So in so many cases, when you're a swimmer or whether you're a tennis player or whether you're into any kind of education thing, an elder or a parent is very instrumental in bringing them to that level where they can excel. Because आपने अगर 17-18 साल तक अगर कोई स्पोर्ट नहीं खेला तो उसके चांसेस आपके बहुत जीरो हो जाते हैं खेलने के लिए. बट उस उम्र तक अगर आपको encourage कौन करेगा? कोई एल्डर ही करेगा कि भाई थोड़ा सा डेडिकेटेड होने के लिए. तो पेरेंट्स का कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत होता है. एंड यू ऑल शुड टेक अ लॉट ऑफ प्राइड इन द फैक्ट दैट यू ऑल आर हियर encouraging your children, and the children should realize that because of their parents and the effort that they put in them is why they are going to be where they are going to be. Because if the, like I said, the support system is not there, and it's very difficult for a child to excel. So all fortunate children who have got parents taking care of them, taking care of their ambition, a round of applause to them. Yeah.
कितना कुछ है कहने के लिए सर, पता नहीं मतलब मन भरा हुआ है बच्चों के लिए बोलने के लिए. सर पीछे बच्चे बैठे हैं, उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे? आवाज सुन रहे हैं बच्चों, अरबाज सर आपको बोल रहे हैं कुछ. कम ऑन, यस, मेक अ नॉइज.
I already said that these children are putting in all the effort and they're trying.
Today for them this is the day.
This is an
Number one, that
important day
they're
for them.
participating in this
It's
such a
an
big
important
event.
day for them. This is a day where they should just use this as a stepping stone. They should be happy irrespective of whether they are title holders or winners, because in the eyes of their parents or in eyes of everybody, they are already winners. The moment you step on this stage, it's a huge thing.
Yeah, round of applause please.
So I checked. Our lovely girls are ready to rock and roll. Are you all ready? All right, so we'll have two batches of girls. We'll begin with contestants number 1 to 32 and so on and so forth. So can we have a huge round of applause for our lovely girls this year? They've been working day in and day out, burning the midnight oil and working really hard. All right? So with that, we'll have our ladies on stage and we'll go backstage. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.
Ali Clubs, Mr. Teen India.
round of applause for these lovely ladies and gentlemen. Honestly, girls, all of you all look so pretty. I'll be damned if I was the jury tonight. Trust me. All right. So let's get to know each one of them. Yeah?
Good evening, everyone, and respected judges. I'm Anupriya Bharti, a 13-year-old girl from Samastipur, Bihar. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my respected judges. My name is Ashika. I'm 15-year-old from Patna, Bihar.
Hello everyone. Namaste judges. My name is Kajal. I'm 15 years old and I am from Karnataka.
A very wonderful evening to one and all present here. I am Divyangna, a 13-year-old from Pathankot, Punjab.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम साक्षी सुमन है, मेरी उम्र 14 साल है, मैं दिल्ली की रहने वाली हूँ.
Namaste and good evening, judges and everyone present here. I am Riya Sonkar, a 17-year-old hardworking and confident girl. I am from the most talented city, which is Delhi. Good evening, everyone and my lovely judges. I'm Neha Anjali, a 14-year-old girl from Vijayawada.
Good evening, everyone, and my respected judges. I'm Trishla Upadhyay from the city of Lord Ram, Ayodhya.
Hello, beautiful judges and everyone. My name is Ashika Divakar. I'm 15-year-old girl from Badai, Uttar Pradesh.
Hello everyone and a very warm good evening to all our respective judges. This is Ishanvi Gupta, a 13-year-old girl from the land of monasteries, Bihar, Patna.
Namaste, all the distinguished judges present on the dais. Here stands before you Apurva Mittal, a 17-year-old from Nandurbar, Maharashtra.
Good evening judges and Jai Shri Shyam everyone. I am Meenu Rajput, a 17-year-old girl from the capital city of India, New Delhi.
Good evening, distinguished judges and lovely audience. I am Shreya Shaha, a 16-year-old NEET aspirant representing my city, Kolkata.
Radha Radha, everyone. My name is Imani Sharma. I am 17-year-old girl from Delhi.
I, Riya Sandel, contestant number 15, wish you a very beautiful good evening to all the respected judges and my lovely audience. I'm a girl, 18-year-old, height at 5.1, belongs to the Steel City, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
Sat Shri Akal, everyone. This is Oshin and I'm 17 years old from the city, Kurali, Punjab.
Thank you. Good evening to the judges, parents and everyone present here. I am Priya Basari, a 14-year-old passion-driven individual from the cleanest city of India, Indore.
A very good evening to my respected judges and my lovely audience present over here. I am Satakshi Pandey, 14-year-old girl representing my city, Jharsuguda, Odisha.
Good evening, judges and all of you. My name is Priyanshi Jangad, a 17-year-old girl from Sikar, Rajasthan.
Namaskar, I am Hima Menam Dole, proudly representing Assam, the land blessed by Mother Nature and rich in culture.
Good evening, judges and everyone present here. I'm Anjali Tejaswini, a 15-year-old girl from Kota, Rajasthan.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Raj, a 15-year-old girl from Lakhisrai, Bihar.
A very good afternoon, respected judges and my lovely audience. My name is Gunjan Ramtekar. I am from World Heritage City, Ahmedabad.
Good evening, judges and the lovely audience present here. My name is Srinidhi. I'm 18 years old from Bangalore.
A very wonderful good evening to everyone. I am Anya Angel. I'm 13 years old girl from Royal City of Punjab, Patiala.
Hello everyone, I am Anshika Syal, a 15 years old girl from Gorakhpur.
Namaste India, most respected our judges and their audience. My name is Techi Metung. I am 18 years old, proudly representing my state Arunachal Pradesh.
A warm good evening to all the dignitaries present on the dais and to all the beautiful souls present here. My name is Arya Mittal and I hail from a district in Maharashtra called Nandurbar.
Radhe Radhe, Namaste, good evening everyone. I am Monalika Ambekar, 19 years old girl from Hyderabad.
Namaste everyone, I am Diya Razora, a 15 years old girl from the heart of our nation, Delhi.
Today I, Hipika, an 18 years old from Prithla, Palwal, Haryana.
A very good evening to one and all present here. I'm Nitya Gandhi, a 13-year-old girl from the Blue City, Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Wishing a very good evening to my respected judges and all my lovely audience.
I am Mahi Rana and I'm thrilled to be a contestant of Ellie Club Miss and Mr. Teen India 2024. I'm 13-year-old girl from the World Heritage City, Ahmedabad.
I'm Fiona Vaz, a 17-year-old from Mumbai. A very good evening to all my honorable judges and the audience sitting here. I am Arshpreet Kaur, a 16-year-old girl from the state of Bhangra, and that is Punjab.
Very good evening to one and all present here, respected judges and my lovely audience. I am Ragvi Thakur, 17-year-old girl standing in front of you as a finalist of Miss Teen 2024.
A very good evening to all the respected judges and my dear audience. I am Ekta Singh, a 19-year-old journalism student from Delhi.
Namaste everyone. Good evening respected judges. I am Divya Agarwal, a 16-year-old girl from Chandausi, Uttar Pradesh.
Namaste India, I'm Isha, 17-year-old passionate girl, proudly representing Chandigarh.
Hello and a very good evening to all my beloved judges and one and all present here. My name is Tanisha. I am a 15-year-old teen from the City of Dreams, Mumbai.
Hello everyone, I'm Yashika, a 17-year-old girl from the bells of Haryana, Karnal. Good evening to the esteemed judges and the audience. I am Aishwarya, a 17-year-old from Hyderabad.
हैदराबाद की नारी हूँ, पूरे भारत की प्यारी हूँ. नमस्कार भारत की जनता से रियादम हाजिर हूँ. An 18-year-old girl who loves spending quality time with people and dancing.
Namaskar and good evening one and all present over here. I am Shrishti Sadavarti, a 17-year-old passionate and aspiring model from nation's capital, New Delhi.
Good evening my esteemed judges and my lovely audience present here. I, Indrakshi Mukherjee, a 16-year-old keen enthusiast from the land of Shakti, Ma Durga, Kolkata, West Bengal.
Good evening, respected judges and the audience present here. I am Angel Keswani, a 16-year-old girl from the cleanest city, Indore.
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Pandey. I am 17-year-old from Haryana, Faridabad.
Namaste Bharat. My name is Urvi Kishori. I am 18 years old and I am from the Silicon Valley of India, Namma Bengaluru.
Good evening everyone. I am Riddhima Singh and I am 18-year-old MBBS first year student from GSVM Medical College, Kanpur.
Very good evening one and all present here, revered judges and audiences. I am Jia Kapoor, an 18-year-old girl from Gurgaon.
A very warm welcome to one and all present over here. I am Nazria Sharma, young, ready and dynamic 18 years of age, hailing from Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, hello India. A very elated evening to all the judges and everyone present here. My name is Madhumata Yadav. I'm 17 years old, presenting Ranchi, Jharkhand, as it's not a very occurrent city in terms of entertainment industry.
A very good evening everyone. I am Shwapnila Chatterjee, a 14-year-old dreamy girl from the city of Joy, Kolkata.
Namaste everyone, it's me Priya Yadav, a 16-year-old girl standing in the front of you from city of Nawab, Lucknow.
Namaste. A very good evening to all the respective judges and the one present here. I, Anushka Bhavsar, a 15-year-old multi-talented girl from Ahmedabad.
Good evening India. I am Aishwarya, a 18-year-old teenager who belongs to Madhya Pradesh.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an evening of grace, elegance and outstanding talent. I am Khushi Bishen, a 17-year-old from Gurgaon with a zest to do almost everything in life.
Namaste everyone. Myself Soumya Malkani, a 16-year-old glamorous girl from the cleanest city, Indore.
My name is Ashrita Devaki, a 14-year-old girl from Hyderabad, the city of pearls.
Namaste India and good evening to one and all present here. I am Malya L.M. Reddy, a 14-year-old girl from Namma Bengaluru.
Hello everyone, my name is Chahat Sharma. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Punjab, Barnala. I'm the proud final of Miss and Mr. Teen India 2024.
Good evening everyone. I am Navyangshi Gupta, a 15-year-old girl from City of Joy, Kolkata. Hello everyone. Good evening sabhi ko.
Namaste. I am Radhika Kashodan, a 17-year-old girl from Kanpur.
A huge round of applause for these ladies because that's what I feel after I watch their introduction. I'm in love with all of them. So, माहौल बहुत अच्छा हो गया है. We're done with the girls now. Are you all ready for our lovely, lovely, lovely boys? Shall we have them on stage? Okay, there are 25 boys this year. Hit the music! Let's have our boys on stage. For our lovely boys. All right. Now let's get to know them. Let's start with the first introduction.
Good evening, everyone. And once again, good evening to my all respected judges. My name is Mohammad Huzaif and I am 14 years old from the city of Green, Bangalore.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aditya Singh and 15-year-old boy from Ghaziabad.
Greetings. I am Aniket Sharma, a virtuous youth of 16 years, hailing from the city Hoshiarpur, the land of saints in Punjab.
Good evening, judges and my lovely audience. I am Paras Sani, hailing from the vibrant city Ladwa in the historical district Kurukshetra.
Hello, everyone, and good evening, all the judges. I am Kishan Kumar, a 16-year-old boy from Mithilanchal, which is known as the city of Bihar, Darbhanga.
Well, hello, everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges and my fellow contestants. I am Pranav Gupta, an 18-year-old aspiring teen from New Delhi.
Hello everyone, I am Lakshya Arora, a 15-year-old from Saharanpur.
Namaste to all and namaste to the judges. I am Daksh Simani, an 18-year young Gabru Jawan, standing tall at 5 feet 10 inches. मेरी जन्म भूमि है ग्वांगझो चाइना और मेरी कर्म भूमि है सपनों का शहर मुंबई.
An astounding evening, everyone. I am Anshul, an 18 years old dreamer from the mystical land of gods, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand.
Namaste and a very warm welcome to everyone. I am Pranjal, a proud 17-year-old boy hailed from the city Rohtak, the education hub of Haryana.
Good evening to all the respected judges. I am Harshvardhan Singh from Nawabo Ka Shahar, Lucknow.
Namaste everyone, respected judges and all my lovely audience. My name is Divyansh Rajgupta and I am 17 years old boy from Kumbh Nagari, Prayagraj. Good evening, my dear respected judges, and good evening, one and all present here. I am Tyaz Devnath, a 17-year-old youngster representing my state, Tripura.
Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho. My name is Raghav Goswami. I'm a 16-year-old teen hailing from the entertainment capital of India, Amchi, Mumbai.
Good evening, dear judges and all the people who are sitting here. I am Sudhakar Madiwal and I am 18 years old boy from one of the beautiful cities of India, Chandigarh.
Good evening, respected judges and my dear audience. I am Dalveer Singh, a 16-year youngster from Barnala, Punjab.
Hello, India. I am Aditya Naidu, 16 years old boy from Andhra Pradesh.
Hello, everyone. Good evening to all. I am Karthik, a 16-year-old from Uttar Pradesh.
Hello, everyone. This is Darshan, a 16-year-old from Hyderabad.
Good evening, judges. Hello, everyone. I am Kunal Dalal, an 18 years old boy from Haryana.
Good evening, everyone. I am Shiv Jolly, a 15-year-old boy from Kanpur.
Good evening, judges, and good evening, everyone. I am Pratham, 17 years old from Khurja, Uttar Pradesh.
Namaskara, India. This is your 18-year-old ambitious teen from Bengaluru, Pranay Kallimani.
Good evening, respected judges and anyone. I am Jay Bharadwaj from Sri Krishna Nagari, Mathura.
नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों, आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Chaitanya Bajaj. I am a 16-year-old boy and a class 12 commerce student. I stay and study in Bishop Cotton School, Shimla.
A huge round of applause for our boys. The boys who have moved ahead, the next round.
Fashion